Welcome back. So in this learning tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a single crochet in the back loop only. So we come to the end of the row. We have one chain. I'm going to turn it around. So if you turn your work so that you can see it from the side, you'll see there's two legs. So the one facing you is the front leg, and that side there, that one there, is your back loop. So for a single crochet, you're going to insert your hook just through the back loop. Pull it through. It's got two loops and yarn over. So again, let's go through that back loop, yarn over, pull it through. So again, if we look nicely, you can see front and the back. Only the back loop, pull it through. And that is a single crochet in the back loop only. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and